What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you the cheapest, the fastest and the easiest way how to bridge your tokens or any stable coins from one chain to another. For example, if you have USDT on Ethereum, Binance chain, Base chain or any other chains to a different chain, like for example in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from BNB chain to USDC on a Base chain, or you can do the other way around, and this bridge supports many other different chains as well. But before I show you how to do that, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So for this video tutorial, we're going to be using relay.link, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below. So first, what we need to do, we need to connect our wallet. Just press on connect over here. I'm going to use MetaMask, but they support Phantom, Rabby, and many other ones. And then EVM. This is going to pop up, and then just press connect. Once it's going to connect, it's going to show you your entire portfolio and some of the hidden tokens as well. Those are just as trash. Don't even worry about them. But in here, so here's what we need to do. We need to choose what are we going to be swapping or sending, and in this case I'm just gonna choose USDT on Binance because this is what I got in my account, and you can find it right here or you can search in here. And as I stated earlier, they support many different chains: Arbitrum, Base, Ethereum, Solana, and many other ones. Also they're adding as well, so if the new chain is gonna appear, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be here at some point. Let's choose USDT on BNB because this is what I have in the wallet, and same thing destination, I'm gonna use USDC on Base. Okay, then in here we need to set an amount, or what you can do, press 20, 50 or max percent. For this video tutorial I'm just gonna press on max, and what is it gonna do? It's gonna calculate and it's gonna tell me this is how much I'm gonna send and this is what I'm gonna be receiving. And then in here the only thing we need to do, press approve and swap. Then this window is gonna appear, and you will have to sign your wallet a couple times or confirm. So spending cap request, confirm, transaction submitted. You can see right here sending USDT on Binance. Then we can close it, and now we just have to go back again. Then we'll have another transaction confirmation, confirm. Once that's submitted, relays processing, then we'll close, and that's it. Process is done. See how quickly it was? It was done within pretty much seconds. And then we can press on done. And if we open up MetaMask wallet right here, you're going to be able to see USDC coin 2154. This is pretty much the same amount that I sent from USDT to Binance. And if you would like to do the opposite, switch it back, you can just go back here and then press on that, and it's gonna flip, and then same thing max, and then it's gonna fetch and then approve and send it again. And this is it. This is the fastest, cheapest and the easiest bridge to send tokens between different chains. Link to this bridge I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody and thanks for watching.